Sewage leak. UK folks doubt Cabinet's competence has let environmental issue out of control. The SNP has been urged to take action over an unacceptably high number of sewage leaks in Scotland. A little over a month ago, Scotland was home to the COP26 summit. Ms Sturgeon used this as an opportunity to highlight Scotland's dedication to ensuring the protection of the environment. But new criticism accuses the SNP of allegedly not doing enough to keep the government agency tasked with protecting the environment on track. The SNP leader has been criticised for failing to properly respond to the problem of sewage leaks, with Scotland falling way behind the action carried out in England. Liam MacArthur, the Scottish Liberal Democrat climate emergency spokesperson, said the SNP must address the problem and announce measures to counter it before matters get worse. He said, "The Environment Minister needs to tell Parliament what is being done to clean up this sewage leak mess and keep Scotland's waterways pristine." This follows the finding earlier this year that sewage spilled directly into Scotland's rivers, lochs and seas at least 12,000 times in 2020. The true figure is expected to be much higher. The English government claims to have event duration monitors for 80% of its storm overflows, with the rest set to have them by the end of 2023. Despite the severity of the problem, Scottish Environment Protection Agency (SEPA) officials have been accused of caring first and foremost about their own reputation. Mr MacArthur said, senior SEPA staff appear to have been hesitant to review Scottish Water's operating licences in bulk in case it suggested the watchdog's enforcement had not been strong enough. It was clear that the environment watchdog's first concern wasn't for the health of our streams, rivers and communities but for their own reputation. He also accused the SNP government of being up to its neck in anti-climate friendly offences. Last month, the Ferret saw internal Scottish Government emails in which officials called spills an eye-opener, not in a good way. In a statement, SEPA acknowledged that there is more to do. It said climate change added to the number of sewers at risk of overflowing. And despite accusations of caring more about reputation than the environment, it insisted, "We're committed to finding the most effective and sustainable solutions to combined sewer overflows. We'll work with Scottish Government, Scottish Water, river trusts, councils and communities to take a new approach to managing rainfall, to reduce flood risk and to minimise sewer overflow spills and litter to further enhance our urban water environment." A furious couple have claimed that they haven't been able to use their conservatory for 5 years, despite paying £17,200 to have it fitted. Graham and Yolanda Minto, from Pegswood, Northumberland, say the unfinished building work has devastated their home and has forced them to battle with insurers to get it fixed. The couple, who have previously been foster parents, first chose the Flush Conservatory from Pennine's showroom in 2016. However, they have since had to endure several shoddy attempts by builders to get their dream extension erected and have been left at the end of their tether. Among their grievances, the couple say their conservatory has been taken apart and put back together again after discovering that its foundations were not deep enough. They also say they were met with a mouldy smell generated from poorly laid bricks, sand and cement allegedly crumbled away from the walls. However, their ordeal took a horrific twist for the worst after they returned from holiday to find their garden flooded with raw sewage. Investigations later found that builders had failed to reconnect a pipe after work had taken place, leaving a mucky mess to spew over the couple's patio. It prompted 61-year-old Graham, who works in children's services at Northumberland County Council, and his wife to try and claim compensation.